Hi class, I am going to show you what our work is for Thursday, May 7th. So this is your first page. We are working on letter V this week. I would like you to write your name at the top. Now your job is to go through and find all the letter V's and color them. I missed two. Do you see the two that I missed? Yep, one's down here, and one's right here in the middle, an uppercase V in the middle, lowercase v down below. And once you have found all of your V's, let me count them to show you how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you have found 10 V's, you are going to trace your V's. Start at the dot, diagonal line down, stop sign, diagonal line up. Lowercase v is the same, just smaller. Start at the dot, diagonal line down, stop sign, diagonal line up. That is your letter V page. Flip your paper over. This page is called land or water. The first thing I do is always the same. I pick up a pencil and write my name. I'm going to use my marker so that you can see it easier. And for this page, you are going to need two colors. Our directions for the grown-ups at the bottom say color the animals that live in the water, blue. Color the animals that live on land, brown. So let me see if I have a blue and a brown I can use. Why don't you pause the video and make sure you have your blue and brown also. I decided to use colored pencils for mine. So water animals that live in the water are going to be blue. Animals that live on the land are going to be brown. So my first one here is a cat. Land or water? Yep, land. Now this isn't an art lesson, so we don't have to be perfect, but I don't want you to just scribble it either. So I'm just coloring it a little bit quickly. Alright. It's not very dark. Can you see that? Oh, now it's blurry. That's better. Our next animal, a rabbit. Water or land? Yes, land. So I'm coloring the land ones brown and the animals that live in the water blue. My next animal, whale. We just learned about W. Whale starts with W. He's my first water animal, so I'm coloring him blue. Or her. They're girl whales too. Right, this guy here. An octopus. He lives in the water, so he's going to be blue. I'm going to pause my video and do the rest. I want you to pause your video and do the rest on your own too. I'll show you what it should look like when you're done. Go ahead and pause your video now. Whew! I don't know about you, but my hand is tired from all that coloring. Ugh. Maybe you weren't pushing as hard as I am, but that was hard on my big hand. I bet your hand's nice and strong after that. Alright, so I colored my land animals brown and my water animals blue. Cat is brown, rabbit is blue, brown, whale is blue, octopus is blue, Owl? He lives in the air. But can he land on the ground and maybe walk around on the ground? He could. Could he land in the water and go swim in the water? He can't. So he is going to be brown for land. Lamb or sheep, brown. Fish, blue. Shark, blue. Cow, brown. We have one more page. Flip to the back. What comes next? Oh, first thing I do is always the same. Pick up a pencil and write my name. I'm using marker so that you can see mine better on the video. All right. And so this says what comes next. We're making a pattern. Remember, a pattern repeats like a song. So will you sing the first row with me? Umbrella, umbrella, raincoat, raincoat. So if it's going to repeat from the beginning, what would come next? Umbrella, umbrella, raincoat, raincoat. Yep, umbrella, umbrella, raincoat, raincoat. My directions say to color the picture that comes next. I'm okay with you just circling it. We just did a lot of coloring. Let's see how this song goes. Shoe, shoe, football. Shoe. Yep, you're right. Shoe comes next. Teapot. Cup, cup, teapot. Let's try that one again. Teapot, cup, cup. Oh, and then it starts over right here. This one, it starts over right here. Teapot, cup, cup, teapot, cup, cup. This one, let's see. Frog, frog, pig. Frog. Yep, if you said frog, you're right. Because this one, the song stops here and repeats. Frog, frog, pig. Frog, frog, pig. Frog, frog, pig. Shoe, shoe, ball. Shoe, shoe, ball. This one's hard because they're long words. Pot, cup, cup. Pot, cup, cup. And that's our pages for today. I hope you did your best job on your work. Remember, I'm proud of you and I miss you. Have a great day.